It's Ariel, bitch. Hey guys, my name is Brian Neal. I'm 26 years old and I am from Cherry Hill, New Jersey, and I am the drag persona Miss Ariel Versace. Yes! Ariel is a life-size brat style. She is New Jersey's life-size brat style. You can identify Ariel by her bronzy skin, her gigantic ass hair, her painted face, her over-the-top personality. At my monthly show, Vera, in Cherry Hill, New Jersey, you can definitely expect to see Ariel always wearing something over the top. Not Barbie, I would say, because she's definitely not a Barbie. She's a brat style because she's a little bit bitchier looking and she gives a little bit more edge, like a little more street style, but she's still like super approachable and fun. I've been performing as Ariel for about 5 years now, and this is my 4th year auditioning, so hopefully 4th time is a charm, you guys. Ariel gives you sexy, she gives you glamour, she's a little bit punk rock. 3 words. That's 6. 3 words I would use to describe Ariel would be sexy, doll-like, and over the top. She's super fun, like I said. She's always got the larger-than-life hair. She's got that fierce-ass painted face, and she's always got something really fun on her body to wear. I love drag fashion. I love the big hair. I love beautiful makeup. That's really what Ariel is. One common misconception I would definitely say about Ariel, especially having the social media following that I do, is I don't want everyone to just think that Ariel is a look queen, because she's like definitely not. I live for performing. I did theater for about 6-7 years prior to doing drag, so I come from a theater background, so I love singing, acting, dancing. Ariel does it all, bitch. One thing that I definitely have to give myself credit for is that I definitely think I'm a hard worker. I make all my own hair, I do my own makeup. I don't always make all my own costumes, and that's just because I'm such a goddamn perfectionist that I don't think I can necessarily give you like a Project Runway worthy garment, but I'd rather have somebody else do it because I'm such a little bitch. I want it to look perfect instantly and I'll get frustrated. But you better believe I will crack out that hot glue gun, girl. I will get some rhinestones. We'll just rhinestone it up. I'll put a little safety pin in the back and we will be good to go. But in all honesty, if you do put me behind a sewing machine, I can whip you up a nice little pillow like back in high school home ec class, honey. But I ain't gonna walk down that runway wearing a pillow, girl. Don't worry. So she's not just a look queen, she's secretly a triple threat. She may seem like she's a little silly, kooky, looky, spooky, but she's definitely smart under all of that hair. So she knows what she's doing, super competitive, and she will cut a bitch to get what she wants. And she will get what she wants. One thing that's super cool about Ariel is she got built up out of nowhere on social media. I have a pretty decent social media following at this point now. I think I have about almost 80,000 followers on Instagram, which is super cool, super humbling, and I've been able to actually make a career out of Ariel. This is the first year that I'm auditioning where I'm just doing drag as a living. My partner and I, we have our own wig styling business called Drag by Ariel, so we are solely living off of just doing drag and making hair. And it's scary sometimes when you're just working and living as an artist, per se, a starving artist. But we're making it work. We just bought a house last year, so that's kind of our little prize, or very proud of it that I can say that I'm doing what I love and performing, doing what I love, and still able to fully support myself at this point. So I want to continue with that. I want to make the Ariel Versace brand even bigger. I think she is somebody that everyone will love. She's ferocious, she's cute, she's fun, and I can't wait to show the world what Ariel has. Yes.
I don't have like any coin, so grab your wig, put on your makeup, and meet me at the club. Let's do this.
Versace bags, designer heels and diamond rings. Now is it bad? I grew up wanting everything. We're fabulous, ridiculous, and stained in pink. To get this life, it's much harder than you would think. So dust the mug and curl the hair. So much fashion we can wear. Rock the heels and strike a pose. A queen deserves her throne. Gloss the lips and ice the wrist. Cotton candy breakfast. Sparkle on, bitch! It's time to rule the world. I want that coin, so throw it in the air. I want that coin,
But you know what? I'm a coin.
We serve a look, put on the heels, click, make a post. Come catch me out, the baddest bitch, yeah, we can boast. Go take a shot, buckle up, set for the ride. Don't spill your drink, sis, slice the show, no slip and slide. So dust the mug and curl the hair, so much fashion we can wear. Rock the heels and strike a pose, a queen deserves her throne. Gloss the lips and ice the wrist, cotton candy breakfast. Sparkle on, bitch, it's time to rule the world. I want that coin, so throw it in the air. I want that coin, shake the glitter out your hair. I want that coin, cha-ching, hashtag bless. I want that coin, 5, 6, 20. I want that coin, so throw it in the air. I want that coin, shake the glitter out your hair. I want that coin, cha-ching, hashtag bless. I want that coin, 5, 6, 20. Yes. Hey Ariel, give me that stuff. Let's go. Glitter on your hair, glitter on your chest. Sell that fantasy, get that money. Pesos, ones, euros, yes. Gotta catch 'em all. Yeah. No time for drama. Little bitches, not and more that. Sing it up, shit, know that about that. Grab your bitches, swing it, let's go. I made that shit hot. Now bitches be loving. Haters be waiting to fly. It's time to rule the world. I want that coin, so throw it in the air. I want that coin, shake the glitter out your hair. I want that coin, cha-ching, hashtag bless. I want that coin, 5, 6, 20. I want that coin, so throw it in the air. I want that coin, shake the glitter out your hair. I want that
Hi, I'm Twilight actress, Kristen Stewart. K-Stu for short, don't call me that. When my publicist told me that I was going to be on the show today, I was like so excited, as you can see from my face right now. This is my excited face. Thank you for having me, and I'm ready to have a great time.
Hey, sexy. You know, some people say that money can't buy happiness. Those people are poor. Is it freaking going? Hey guys, it's me Miranda, singer, actress, dancer, model, and magician. And you guys are so lucky to have me today because I'm really freaking famous. And I guess I will answer your questions that you guys have. And I'm just very excited to be on the show. Is there gonna be free popsicles later?
Is it my turn? I said stop relying on that fake spray tan, because I guarantee you that he does not use vegan or cruelty-free products. Speaking of things that are vegan and cruelty-free, I just came out with my own makeup line. Maybe she's born with it, and maybe it's clinical depression.
Stop relying on that. Nicole Richie. Daddy's Allowance. Von Dutch. Hey, bitch. This is not hot. So what? Stop relying on that blank. That doesn't make any sense. So stop relying on nothing, because these questions don't make any sense, and I'm way too talented for this. And where's my popsicle?
I said that she hides it within the pages of her favorite top-selling Stephanie Meyer novel. Am I...
In her Juicy Couture bag. Duh. So hot. I don't know who massages, but I'm not massaging anybody because I'm way too talented for that. But all these blank questions, if they were hiding it in something, I would say that it will be inside of her popsicle box, because I literally love popsicles. So delicious.
Brave.
Baby JJ, you know that's not funny. I haven't been able to use my legs since the accident. Why are you always taunting me? Mom liked you best anyways, and I'd get away from you too if I wasn't 109 years old and not actually sitting in a wheelchair because I don't have a wheelchair to film this.
Bitch, you know, this is really hard to do by yourself and everyone else is asleep and nobody wants to help you because you're making this at 2 a.m. Oh, my eye.
Get me some food.
Ew.
I'm starving.
Academy Award winner right here.
You know what? I'm just gonna do it.
I'm just gonna improv because I don't have anybody else here. Oh, woe is me, spending my days in a wheelchair in the attic of this old crooked house. All I long for is a nice dish of soup, some saltine crackers, and a large Puerto Rican penis to brighten my spirits. Is that so much to ask? No?
Well, actually, to be honest, the Puerto Rican penis is how I got in the wheelchair in the first place. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my tape. That about wraps it up. I hope to talk to you soon. I had a lot of fun doing this again this year, and hopefully it'll be the last time, honey. And as always, yes.